Looking for a smarter, faster, and easier way to handle tire pressure monitoring system issues? Meet the Autel MaxiTPMS. This 2025 Wi-Fi upgraded version of Autel's best-selling TPMS tool lineup. It's built for professional technicians and DIY users alike. This advanced diagnostic tool lets you activate, relearn programs, and reset all major TPMS sensors in minutes. No more guesswork or wasted time in the shop. This makes tire maintenance effortless and accurate. With Wi-Fi capability, you can now perform wireless updates directly from the device. No more cables or computer connections needed. It supports Autel MX sensors, allowing you to program sensors individually or in batches with unmatched speed and reliability. It's easy to read sensor data, check battery life, view temperature and pressure, all displayed on a bright, easy-to-read screen. This offers 4 efficient relearn modes: OBD, automatic, stationary, and copy by activation, making it compatible with almost every vehicle on the market. Whether you're dealing with a tire replacement, sensor swap, or seasonal tire change, it gets the job done in seconds. Designed with Autel's durable ergonomic housing, this tool can handle daily shop use or on-the-go service. It's your one-stop shop solution for diagnosing issues, eliminating warning lights, and keeping every drive safe and smooth. So whether you're a professional technician or a DIY car enthusiast, trust this Autel MaxiTPMS to make your tire service smarter, faster, and more reliable than ever. Check this out. And this is also the case it comes with and ready to go.